Good afternoon. In this video, we'll talk about my introduction. My name is Saray Belandia. I am 22 years old. I live in the municipality of Mosquera, Cundinamarca. I was born on May 12, 2002. I live with my boyfriend and my cat Romari. I work in a food factory called Chefrito. I work 8 hours. A day is as assistant production. I study in a social communication at UNAT and currently sixth semester. I love playing basketball for listening to music, playing basketball for over 12 years. I've been a member of the Cundinamarca national team for this green sport. I love playing basketball because it helps my forget about the inconveniences. Three tasks are throughout the day or week. It helps my drink better, plays a team, and choosing myself and others. On weeks when I'm not with my family, I play in different places in Colombia. For example, Rivera Huila, Bogotá, Cali, Bucaramanga. I have traveling to different parts of the country thanks to sport, such as Cali, Barranquilla, Boyacá, and Bucaramanga, among others. This is a small part of my story. Thanks for watching.